how to add an emergency pull latch on your C4 Corvette. So first off, you want to get one of these. I've already had this one installed. I just thought about making this video. If I move this down a little bit, you guys see a pin here. So usually what I would do is, I have this unbolted right now. If it's just 3 bolts, they're 10 millimeters, and you just slide them up. But you see that? What I usually would do with these is slide this guy in here. I use the better side right now. And take a flathead, which I didn't grab. And then lift this guy up with a flathead. Hang on. Let me go grab a flathead. Alright, and you take that flathead, and all you're doing is bending this guy up just a little bit. Be very careful, because you don't want to break it. And there's a pin on the back side there. Or, yeah, see, I'm gonna stop there. I'm not actually gonna do it on this one. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend this guy down. Enough so that I install it right here. Say I got all 3 bolts in there, and take a step bit and drill it in here. Make sure it's kind of straight with this, and then feed this through the part that you drilled out. And then when you pull it, you have a little guy. And what I like to do is I like to feed it up through the windshield wiper here, because if it's down here, you won't be able to get to it when the hood's down. And this will work if you have your cables ran through here. You just put it over to the side or up above it. But these are the ones I use for my main, because I don't want to spend $40 on a new cable just for it to break. But yeah, that's how you install an emergency pull latch. And you will have to pull quite hard. I wouldn't use this as a daily like I do, but I don't open my hood a lot. But yeah, have a good one.